Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxing, spoilers, and giveaway. I have my Fab Fit Fun spring box here and we're giving away one of the items to one of you. Setting this down, it's kind of heavy. I do want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. For all my return subscribers, you know I love spoiling you guys. Every month I try and do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of February, it is the Lucky Chick Daydreams palette. Looks like this. Super, super pretty. If you look in the description box down below, it'll take you to the video, talks about how to enter that one, as well as my many other giveaways that I got going on. I've got, I try and do a giveaway from each of my unboxings as a way to say thank you guys so much for helping support the channel, because it means so much when you guys do that, and I absolutely love it when I can make somebody else happy. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all, and if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings. I want you guys to know when I upload. Definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways, because I do them a lot here on the channel. Now, as far as what is on my eyes today, it is the ColourPop Going Coconuts palette. I just love how versatile this is. Great. Every day, night. You can do a lot with it. So FabFitFun is beauty, makeup, skincare, hair care, lifestyle, fitness, good for you type items. It does come out quarterly, and I know for a year, which is what I pay for, it's $219 a year. I do have a code in the description box down below if you're interested in checking out FabFitFun. It saves you a little bit of money and it helps me out on future add-ons. I also have some starter boxes to give away. How the starter boxes work is you must have never signed up for FabFitFun before, and you basically give me your name, your email address. I send that off to FabFitFun. FabFitFun sends you an email, say, hey, Christina recommended you for a starter box. So what you basically do is you sign up for the service, and then you have 21 days to cancel it. This is my longest running subscription box that I've had. I've had it for years and years and years. Absolutely love it. Absolutely get my money's worth out of it. And all you have to do is pay for shipping off that starter box, and I think you're guaranteed at least $75 worth, at least. So let me know if that's something that you guys are interested in. I also did pick up a mystery bundle as well, and that's $19, and there's usually 3 to 4 items in there, and then again it's that $75 value mark at least. So my first choice item, I did pick up the Lindsay Albanese laptop clutch. It is $118. Okay, and you got it in your box. So right there, that just paid for half of your year. So I did make sure when I got it that it would fit my laptop, and it does. I love how kind of versatile the sleeve is. So you've got a pocket here, right? This snaps over. You have a pocket here, and then you also have this pocket here, this huge pocket for your laptop. And I just love when I have my laptop not in here. And I just love when I take my laptop somewhere, I know that it can be secure. So what they say is that they took the basic laptop sleeve and case and reimagined to look more like a clutch to protect your laptop when you take it from place to place. To hold your essentials, iPhone, journal, pen, etc., all in one stash. You can stash this in your bag, you know, or clutch from place to place. Next we have from Tula. It is their Bedtime Bright VitaCharge Overnight Brightening Treatment. It does retail for $58. So recharge your skin's radiance while you sleep. Unique whipped oil treatment is clinically proven to lock moisture for overnight protection. Acts as a cocoon for your skin to seal in your PM routine. VitaCharge Brightening Complex, 5 essential vitamins and minerals to help even skin and texture. It's dermatologic tested and non-comedogenic. I always love a good nighttime bedtime moisturizer, so excited to try this one. guys, these are so pretty. So from Crystal Haze, I'm excited about these, is a mini Serena hoops. I did get them in silver. You had the choice between gold or silver if you chose these. It does retail for $65. The mini Serena hoops in gold or silver are the perfect addition to any outfit. Wear alone or a pair with your perfect earring stack. This will be your new go-to earrings. In collaboration with FabFitFun, they're introducing a limited edition version of the mini Serena hoops in silver. These sparkling hoops were designed to seamlessly pair with the Serena necklace, offering a cohesive, elegant look to complement any outfit. So it's silver, plated, brass, and cubic zirconian. From BeautyAmaB is a 24 karat gold collagen eye mask. The retail for $35.70. It's a restorative eye nutrition that visibly improves elasticity, puffiness, dark circles, fine lines, and wrinkles using 13 nature-found, science-backed, non-toxic ingredients for an awakened glow. From Topicals is a Slick Salve Lip Balm in Mint. It does retail for $16. This hydrating balm nourishes the lips and protects the skin's moisture barrier with ceramides and glycerin formulated with hyaluronic acid and rice bran wax to lock in moisture. The know-it-all formula conditions, softens, and smooths the lips for the look and feel their best. And then the last item in the regular box is a Dr. Jart Ceramide Skin Barrier Moisturizer Face Mask. Just for 5 of them, it does retail for $37. A moisturizing sheet mask with ceramide, NP, and pentyl that replenishes dry skin, relieves tightness, and skin's barrier for 8 hours. I did pick up as an add-on from Milk Makeup. It is their Hydro Grip primer. I paid $16 for it. It does retail for $38. The clean 13 times award-winning hydrating face primer that grips makeup up to 12 hours and hydrates the skin with hyaluronic acid and niacinamide to prevent makeup from caking, fading, and creasing. So the total of the main box was $336. I mean, that just paid for your entire year right there. Looks like they also did throw in a Dove Advanced Care Dry Spray Cool Essentials deodorant. From Summer and Rose, ankle socks. Love their ankle socks. I've had them before. I couldn't find these on their website, but similar ones just in different colors do retail for $26. From Fast Food Leave-In Conditioner, it retails for $26. It hydrates the hair, manages frizz, and is lightweight. Yes, please. I need all that for this frizz mess. And then from Altenair, Caviar Renewing Moisture Intensive Ceramide Shots. So there are little capsules inside here. It is a potent ceramide concentrate in single-dose biodegradable capsules that hydrate, reduce breakage, and strengthen hair for softer, shinier hair that is less frizzier and easier to manage. So the total value of your mystery bundle was $97 and you only paid $19 for it. So good deal there. I just wish that there was kind of more variety. So instead of having 2 hair products, maybe have another skincare or makeup product instead. That's just my thoughts. Secret word of the day is lip balm. Let's go ahead and do that lip balm plus the deodorant. We're going to do a 2 for here. One winner will receive both of these. So in the description box down below is a Google form link. Only fill it out once and make sure to put that secret word on the form. Now you can get bonus entries. How the bonus entries work is, like I said, you fill out the form once and you can mark on it if you did do the bonus entries. Only mark on them if you did actually do them, because I do check and I don't want to see you guys get disqualified. So your 2 ways are, number 1, go follow me on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, followed by the letter B. Your second way is if you share this with your family, friends, social media accounts. I wanted a way to reward you guys first and say thank you guys so much for helping to spread the word of the channel and grow it. It means absolutely world to me when you guys do that. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. You must be 18 years old or older or have your parents' permission to enter. Giveaways open internationally. I am not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. Now, giveaway go through March 7th, midnight Mountain Standard Time, and then after that, I'll come on in here, we'll announce all the giveaway winners, and what I do is I take the first name, first initial of the last name. If everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing, put those in the computer spins all the names around, the computer picks, I don't, so don't ask to win, and then as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't sell that information. I don't share that information. I don't create distribution lists. I don't do anything like that. So let me know which product in here was your favorite. I think mine was a laptop sleeve. Let me know which one was yours. If you like the video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel when you do. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you if you have the time. I greatly appreciate you checking it out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye.